now that we can understand how to move by steps or half steps, we can start building our basic block for scales, and that is the tetrachord. Tetrachord is a 4-note structure, and this is the formula. It's very general and it's very easy to follow. The formula is whole step, half step. Let's say I'm starting from the note C, and so I have to follow the formula and count one whole step. So that will give me the note D, then another whole step, that will give me the note E, and finally the half step that lands on the note F. So we have C, D, E, F, and this would be the tetrachord from the note C, which has a very characteristic sound. Let's create another example now from the note D. So we count one whole step, comes note E, then another whole step, and lastly the half step. We have C, D, F sharp, and G. And as you can hear, it sounds similar. Actually, if you remember this song, from Adam's Family, well, it's based on tetrachords. And you can build tetrachords from any note. Let's try with another one. Let's say B flat. Okay, so we have B flat here, and then we count a whole step. Okay, then another whole step, comes D, and lastly a half step. Now this is a very important concept. Why? Because a general rule is that we cannot repeat note names. So if I am using a D, I cannot call this D sharp because I'm already using a D note. So this must be an E note. In what kind of E note? Well, an E flat, because this is E natural, E flat. So the tetrachord will be B flat, C, D, E flat. Okay? One last example from the note F. So we have a whole step, another whole step, and our last half step. Same story here. I cannot call this A sharp because I already have an A, so this must be a B, and it should be a B flat. So this is the tetrachord from F. So in general, you can see that it follows the same rule and it's very basic, but it's very important to practice this from different notes. So it's your turn to do that.